My name is Elias and I'm the Managing Director of Elite Renovations. We do mainly bathrooms, kitchens, laundries, all interior renovations. So I founded Elite Renovations in 2020 and we became a member of the MBA ACT because we wanted an expert advice on a legal issue that we had, and we wanted more confidence for our tradies and for our clients. The best part of being a member is more confidence and trust in the team of experts behind us. So this project here now is stage 2 of this renovation. We did stage 1 last year before Christmas. We did an ensuite. We are doing the laundry and the bathroom renovation. What's going on today is the plumbing roughing and the electrical roughing after that. So in the next 12 months, we are planning to enter the 2025 MBA, ACT and Asset Construction Hire Excellence Awards. Entering the Excellence Award takes us to another level. We take pride of our work and we would like to show it to the people.